In this video, we will show you how to connect and manage your cloud storage accounts in WinZip. To connect your cloud storage accounts to WinZip, click the Add Cloud option at the left of the main interface. In this example, we will connect Google Drive. Choose the Google account you want to connect and sign in with your credentials. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Your Google account will now be connected to WinZip. You may close your browser. You'll need to give your newly linked account a nickname, so make it something descriptive. Now your Google Storage account will appear in the file pane on the left. It is synced and you can now manage and share your cloud files with WinZip. If you right-click your Google Drive account, you will be able to sign out or add another account. You can also connect OneDrive, ZipShare, Dropbox, and other cloud storage services.